Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you a really nice 79 Correct Craft. It's called the Ski Tique. It's had the interior restored. It's got all the gauges. It actually belonged to a ski team back in the day. It's powered by the Ford 302 Commander, which is a 4-barrel carburetor. And it says it'll run on 94 octane leaded or low lead fuel, so it's got the no lead heads. Not sure what the horsepower is, but it starts right up. It's got the velvet drive, automatic transmission, new plug wires, new tune-up parts, oil change. On the outside there's a few little scrapes right here, and the other side looks really good. It's got a teak wood deck on the rear, and it could probably stand to be restained. It's got a one more time flag. I love that. But it's just a cool classic boat, and it's got the original Correct Craft trailer. Another view of the engine compartment. I'm going to close this down. But it's got really nice upholstery. It's got a bimini top. It's got a console, and that has your fire extinguisher, Coast Guard stuff. It's got a Texas title. It's got a new landing jack, and he also replaced the coupler on the front. The 1979 Ski Tique, brought to you by Texas Best Used Motorcycles, right here in Mansfield, Texas. There's also a spare brass propeller that comes with it. That's the old coupler for the trailer. This allows you to hook up a hose and run the engine while it's not in the lake. It'll circulate water through the cooling system. He upgraded the trailer lights to LEDs. Just a cool bit of nostalgia. And it's brought to you by Texas Best Used Motorcycles. We are located right here in Mansfield, Texas. The windshield is a water bonnet. This actually opens up on the bottom to give you some little bit of airflow, a little bit of ventilation. You got forward, reverse. It's got a bilge pump that's also been replaced. It's ready to hit the lake. They took it out about a month ago, and they did have a problem with the charging system, and they replaced the alternator, and you can see that it's brand new. Still got the data tag on the trailer and the little ridge protector underneath, so if you want to pull it up on the beach. There's a couple little stress cracks right here. This pad actually needs to be raised up like this side. Just kind of a minor adjustment. But thanks for looking. Thanks for your time. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails, and hope to see you in our showroom soon. It's a beautiful little boat.